Hello guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be about stages of construction, especially in Lagos. And this is going to give you guideline when you're building your dream home step by step. So stay tuned. If you've not subscribed, subscribe and comment, like, and share this video so that you can also help someone else's dream home come true without any complications in the nearest future. Stay tuned. Building a house in Lagos follows standard construction stages, but there are additional local requirements like land verification, government approvals, drainage considerations, waterproofing because of the coastal environment, which is also reconsidered or considered. We have the stages of house construction in Lagos. Number one, land search and verification. Before buying a land, you have to verify the ownership, that is the title. You have to check if the land is under government acquisition. You have to conduct survey and the charting. You have to also confirm the zoning regulations. Then the important documents. We have the survey plan. We have also the deeds of assignment. We have the governor's consent, which is if it's applicable. We have the certificate of occupancy, which everyone calls the C of O. Number two, we have the site inspection and soil test. Engineers inspect the site to determine the soil bearing capacity, if the building that you intend to build is capable, like if the soil is capable of holding it. We have the flood risk. We have the groundwater level. This stage is critical in areas like Lekki, Ajah, VI, and Ikoyi. And also Ikorodu, where swampy soil is common. We have the architectural design, which needs preparation of floor plan, elevation, structural drawings, electrical, plumbing, and the layout. So professionals involved. We have the architects, we have the structural engineer, we have the MEP engineers. Then number four, we have the building approval. Approval is obtained from agencies in Lagos State before the building construction gets started. So this may include the building permit, environmental approval, the LASBCA compliance, the physical planning approval. Without approval, projects can be sealed or demolished, especially in Lagos State. So we have the site clearing and the setting out. We have the clearing vegetation and the debris, fencing the property, setting out building lines using survey points. Number six, we have the foundation stage, which depends on the soil condition. We have the strip foundation, we have the raft foundation, we have the pile foundation, which is common in swampy areas. Activities include excavation, reinforcement, work. We also have the concrete casting. Number seven, block work and structural. We have the frame, construction of columns, beams, ground floor walls, upper floors, if it's for duplex or story building. We have the number eight, which is the roofing stage. Roof framing. We have the installation of roofing sheets, gutters, and drainage system. We have the proper roofing, which is important because of heavy rainfall in Lagos State. Number nine, we have the mechanical and the electricals installation. We have the installation of plumbing pipes. We have the electrical conduit or conduits. We have the AC piping, we have the septic systems, we have also the soakaway. All of these are part of the stages as well. Number 10, plastering and waterproofing. It's very important in Lagos because of moisture and the rainfall, which includes the internal and the external. We have the plastering, we have the roof waterproofing, we have the toilet waterproofing, we have the underground tank waterproofing. And when it comes to waterproofing, I am a waterproofing specialist. I have the best product that you can use that will give you lasting solution to your building. No cracks, no water logging, no swampy smell and the rest of it. So you can trust me on that. So far so good. These are the stages of construction in Lagos State. So you have to consider all of these factors while you're building your dream home, step by step processes, just to ensure that you don't make mistakes. Number one, land acquisition, documentation, design and approval. You have the site cleaning and setup, excavation and foundation, damp proof course and backfilling. We have the walling, we have the lintel, we have the first fix, that's the electrical and the plumbing, we have the plastering and the finishing, and the final finishes and your handover. So guys, if you're yet to subscribe to this channel, do well to do so right now, and don't forget to share so that other people can have the same knowledge as you. Thank you, and see you on the next episode. Bye.